In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to automate social media posts using Zapier. By the end, you'll have a simple automation that takes your content from a single source and publishes it to your social channels, saving time and helping you stay consistent. We'll connect a content source, such as a spreadsheet or RSS feed, to your social platform, test it safely, and turn it on. First, head to Zapier.com and log in. From your dashboard, click Create, then Zap. A zap is just an automated workflow made of a trigger and an action. The trigger is where your content comes from. The action is the social post that gets created. Now set up your trigger. Choose the app where your content lives. If you write posts in Google Sheets, pick Google Sheets and select the New Spreadsheet Row event. If you manage content in Airtable, choose Airtable with New Record. If your posts are coming from a blog, select RSS by Zapier and use New Item in Feed. Click Continue, connect your account, and follow the prompt to grant access. Then choose the specific spreadsheet and worksheet, the Airtable base and table, or paste in your RSS feed URL. Click Test Trigger to pull in sample data. This preview is important because it shows the exact fields you'll map later. Clear headers like post text and image URL make this step much easier. Next, add your social media action. Click Add Action, then pick the platform you want to publish to. For Facebook pages, choose Create Page Post. For Twitter, also known as X, choose Create Tweet. For LinkedIn, select Share Update. For Instagram for Business, choose Publish Photo. Click Continue and connect the relevant account. Make sure you have the right permissions, such as being an admin on the page you want to post to, and verify the correct page or profile is selected. Now configure your post. In the message or caption field, insert the content from your trigger, like the post text from your sheet or feed item. If you're including an image, map the image URL field. Add optional elements like hashtags, links, or mentions, keeping platform rules in mind, character limits on X, and image requirements for Instagram Business. Images should be publicly accessible URLs for the automation to fetch them. Click Test. Step to send a test post. It's a good idea to test on a private page or use obvious test text, so you don't confuse your audience. If everything looks right, click Publish to turn the zap on. From now on, each new row, record, or feed item will automatically create a post. If anything fails, check Zap history for details, and keep your source fields consistent to avoid errors.